So when I was a kid, one of the games we did when we were really bored is a little game called Chubby Bunny. And what you do during Chubby Bunny is you take a bunch of marshmallows like this one, and you cram them into your mouth one at a time. And each time you cram a marshmallow into your mouth, you have to say Chubby Bunny. And the way you win is by cramming the most marshmallows into your face and being able to still say Chubby Bunny. And by the end, it's totally disgusting. You have like marshmallow drool running all over your face and all other sorts of fun stuff like that. But that made me think of a nice little science experiment that we can do. We've got this marshmallow, and it takes up a certain amount of space, so we say that it has volume. But if I go and cram this marshmallow into my mouth, especially if I have other marshmallows in there, it's going to get squashed, okay? So when it gets squashed, the volume becomes smaller. It takes up less space. So here's what I'm wondering. We know that if we squash a marshmallow, its volume changes. But what about the mass? If I squash a marshmallow into a smaller size, is it still going to have the same mass? So here's what we're going to do for our experiment. You're going to need a marshmallow. You're going to need a little bag right here. You're also going to need one of these triple beam balances. And here's the plan. We want to do a little before and after kind of experiment. Now remember, I want to see if we change the volume of a marshmallow, if its mass changes. So I need to make sure that I don't lose any of the marshmallows. So I think what we'll do for this is we're going to take the bag, okay, put the marshmallow in the bag, and we want to make sure that we seal it tight. So that way nothing gets in, nothing gets out. Then we're going to need to take this system here, the bag and the marshmallow, put it on our triple beam balance and find the mass. And then you'll need to record that. Put that somewhere that you'll be able to get back to it and compare. After I've done that, then I just need to squash. So here's where you have to just kind of mess with this for a while and without opening up the bag. Now that's important. Don't open up the bag because we don't want anything to get in. We don't want anything to get out. We just want to change the volume of our marshmallow. So you'll work at that for a while, and when you've squashed it enough so that you're happy with how it is, then we do the after, where you'll go and find the mass of your marshmallow after it's been squashed. So remember, the question is, does the mass of the marshmallow change when you squash it, when you change the volume? Now be ready to defend your answer, and I'm excited to see what you find out.